Hi, I'm Melissa.
My name's Azanj Vid.
My name's Alex Cohen.
And my name is Ellen Buchanan.
I'm here as a summer intern at the National Manufacturing Institute of Scotland.
So I started with SOLIDWORKS first year of uni, and then I started with the flow simulations. I started doing that this year to do kind of aerodynamic testing for things.
Using it through university and then also part of my society as well.
In our societies, we've gained access to SOLIDWORKS through sort of sponsorships, and it's been great having their help. Their software packages have been absolutely amazing, and we'll prioritise trying to use it because it is the sort of industry standard, and that's sort of why we wanted to get to use it, get to learn it, to get grips with it, so we actually have those skills for going into industry afterwards.
And it's also a big creative opportunity. You can just make what you want, choose whatever you fancy, and it's just really cool for that.
It's just always good to visualise something. You can be talking about a concept or something that you're making, but it's so much easier to have a model to then show other people the idea you're thinking of.
And another thing I like about it as well is there's a lot of help for it on YouTube and stuff like that. So for a lot of my projects as well, I would use YouTube tutorials and kind of incorporate that into what I was doing.
It definitely has made me feel more prepared. The stuff I'm learning about is it's up and coming, and it's definitely being adopted by kind of aerospace and leading industries. Have fun, you can literally do whatever you like, so be creative, I suppose.